Hi guys, this is Sanket here and I'm back with one opportunity for you. Student Solar Ambassador program which is organized by Energy Swaraj Foundation. This program is organized on 2nd of October 2020. This program is organized under the guidance of Solar Gandhi. That means Dr. Chetan Solanki, who is renowned professor at esteemed institution called IIT Bombay. So for joining this program, click the link in the description below and create a grand impact and a sustainability in our nation.
This also is the year of Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary. And Mahatma Gandhi always emphasized on the production by masses, not the mass production. Why can't communities, individuals, societies, villages generate and fulfill their own energy needs? Buy locals for local. And I call it Energy Swaraj, the localized energy self-sufficiency.
Thank you so much for joining this video. Bye bye.